Hey guys, this is Maryam, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to create a layout using some Jillibean soup foam stickers and some other things that I'm going to mention during this video. Okay, so let's get started. For today's project, I'm using the awesome foam stickers from the Spoonful of Soul and Garden Harvest collections in a way that they're not supposed to be used as stamps. These might sound weird, but let me tell you that this actually works, and the results are as good as stamping with clear stamps. To use the foam stickers as stamps, all you need to have is an acrylic block and some inks. As you can see here in the video, I took the sticker I wanted to use out of the package and mounted it onto the acrylic block and then inked it up with some Altenew crisp dye inks, and to clean it I used a baby wipe, just like when you clean a regular stamp. Since the foam absorbs the ink really well, the impression of the stamp in the cardstock is really crisp and it has a uniform coverage pretty much every time. But if you don't get a good impression, you can always re-stamp the image you're using like I did in this video. Okay, so after I finished with the stamping process, I took from my stash one of my distressed oxide inks, and with the help of an ink blending tool, I applied some ink in the background I created earlier. In case you're wondering, the color I used is called Squeezed Lemonade. The next part was to cut the pattern paper I created before and put it on my layout. I also fussy cut some flowers from one of the papers from the Garden Harvest collection, added some embellishments here and there, also the photo, my title, and of course my journaling. So out of camera, I heat embossed some butterflies from the Garden Harvest collection stamp set with gold embossing powder, added some enamel dots, also added a pattern paper behind the white cardstock to create a border around the layout. Okay, so that is it for today. If you're interested in the products I use in this video, they're listed in the blog post, which is linked down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the little bell so you don't miss any new videos. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!